Hello, guys. It is Thursday, October 8th. So let's go ahead and dive in for today. As you can see on your task list, you only have two things: your 33rd daily journal and then a discussion board post. So here's our journal for today. So this is kind of tangentially related to the concept of bravery, but I thought it would be fun to see your reaction. So here's your journal. Tell us about a time something scary happened to you, one of the scariest things that's ever happened to you. It could be like a funny, lighthearted thing, like you went to a haunted house for Halloween, or if you would like, you can write about something serious. Maybe you've been through like a car accident. I don't know, but you certainly don't have to talk about anything you don't want to. But tell us about a scary experience you had, whether it's funny and lighthearted or serious and sort of deep. That's your journal, and then your second task is to discuss on discussion board about the texts we've read this week. So, of course, you'll be writing about Richard Wright's The Streets of Memphis and Bravery, the poem we read yesterday. And of course, our discussion will revolve around how bravery is depicted in these two texts. So let's look at our posts to make. 3 things to write about. Here you go. Number 1, explain at least one similarity between how the two texts for this week discuss the theme of bravery. So, of course, a theme is like a lesson or something the author is trying to show us about a topic. And in this case, I think bravery is certainly a topic in both of these texts. So try to tell me what's one way that both texts talk about the theme of bravery similarly. Secondly, I'd like you to explain at least one difference between how the two texts for this week discuss bravery as a theme. So maybe you could point out a difference in what bravery looks like thematically in the poem and the story. Lastly, I want to know, do you think that Richard Wright's writing about the streets of Memphis and Todd Boss's bravery poem, do they show the same definitions of bravery? Does bravery mean the same thing in both texts? Tell us why or why not. What do you think? So that's what your post will be. Of course, you come down here, hit reply, type your post, and then hit reply again, and that saves it. And then I'd like you to respond to 2 classmates. Tell whether you agree, disagree. What do you think about their thoughts on bravery in these texts? Can't wait to see what you think. A lot of your discussions have been great. I especially appreciate those who have really good details and thoughtful answers. Keep that going. If you have any questions or issues, email me or use question board. Good luck. Can't wait to read your excellent discussion.